Hi children, this class is for Standard 5 and the subject is Science. Today I am going to teach you Safety and First Aid. In the previous class, we have already discussed about safety on roads and different types of first aid for different types of injuries. Today we are going to discuss about fire safety. So let's get started. It is very important for us to learn safety measures in case of fire because fire spreads very fast and causes a lot of damage. It destroys many things, and if it becomes out of control, it can kill people. Why are fire accidents caused? Careless handling of matchsticks, candles, electrical appliances, cooking food by using high flames, and gas leaks can cause fire. Even electrical faults cause fire. What should we do if there is fire? Once the fire breaks down, we should call the fire station immediately. How can you call a fire station? By dialing 101, isn't it? Till the help arrives, you should open all the doors and windows in your house. You should not operate any electrical switches or light a matchstick. Let us learn some tips to avoid fire. If we are in the kitchen, we should not wear clothes made of synthetic fibers. We should wear only clothes made of cotton fibers because synthetic fibers can easily catch fire. We should often check gas pipes for leaks. If we feel that the gas is leaking, we should turn off the flame and close the regulator. We should open all the doors and windows of our house to ventilate. We should not try to strike a match or operate any electrical switches or appliances because electric switches can generate spark when switched on or off. We should call gas supplier or fire station immediately. We should often check electrical appliances and electrical wires of our house from time to time. If they are damaged, we should replace them immediately. We should keep a small fire extinguisher at home. Do you know what is a fire extinguisher? It's a special instrument that can be opened and sprayed to control small fires. It contains some chemicals which give out carbon dioxide gas. This gas surrounds the fire and cuts off the supply of oxygen, and hence fire is put out. In case of a fire is caused due to electrical faults, we should not try to throw water on the electrical appliances or switches because water is a good conductor of electricity. Instead of water, we should use sand in those cases. When a person's clothes catch fire, we should wrap blanket around the person and roll him down on the floor. This would cut off the supply of oxygen to the fire. Fire drills help us to react correctly when there is fire. Do you know what is fire drill? It is a method of practicing how a building can be evacuated in case of fire. Fire drill rules should be taught and practiced at school. Do you know what are they? If there is fire in the building, fire drills give us alarm. After hearing the alarm, we should leave the building immediately. While leaving the building, we have to use only staircase instead of elevators. While leaving the building, we should go by walk. We should not run. That's all for today. We will meet in the next class. Thank you, children.